Hey guys, it's me, Marlon again. Guys, I know exactly why it is you are here, right? But let's talk about how it is you got here, right? You came through a page, which is what we call a capture page, that looks exactly like the page you're looking at right now. And when you put your email address in, you will redirect it to a page that looks exactly like this one. When you redirected to this page, I actually asked you to dial a number, and you did. And when you dialed that number, guys, you ended up on a page that looks exactly like this. That might seem like a lot, guys, but it's really not as much as you think it is, right? But anyway, in our industry, right, as digital marketers, it's what's known as a marketing sales system, okay? It's actually a step-by-step system that I use to walk people right through the process of what it is they're looking for. Now, if you click the continue button, you went over and you actually saw a video presentation. Actually, what we call a VSL, right? A video sales letter. You saw one of my partners talking to you about how you can start making money online, working from home, on your computer, using automated marketing systems and sales funnels. Now, let me tell you a little bit about my history, and let me tell you what the good news is for you. When I first got started, I had to do all these things on my own. I mean, people were telling me they were going to show me how to do it, right? But at the end of the day, they really weren't. They were actually giving me pieces of a puzzle. And at the end of the day, guys, I was spending a lot more money than I initially thought I would, right? Anyway, fast forward a few years later, guys, because I immersed myself in internet marketing, actually the same type of internet marketing training you're going to have instant access to in just a little while. But when I did that, I finally was able to put the pieces of the puzzle together. Anyway, fast forward a few years later, guys, we as internet marketers have gotten really, really smart because we want to be spending all our time on the internet, guys, all day long, doing the type of thing that it took me literally almost 2 years to really get down and do. So now what we do, guys, is we build marketing systems and sales funnels that absolutely anybody can actually tap into and start using. But here's the catch, guys. You have to be in a place where you're ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things you never knew. And if you are, we already got the marketing system built out for you guys. We already have video training, tutorials, Facebook groups, everything you're going to need in terms of the support that you need to make this work. Now, it's up to you guys to jump in here, to get in where you fit in, dive into the training, immerse yourself in the step-by-step instruction that we're going to guide you through, and start speaking your very own success into existence. Okay, so if you watched the video before, maybe you were busy, maybe you were distracted, you're going to get an opportunity to watch it again, guys, by clicking the continue button below. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the other side. Okay, as always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. And I'll see you on the inside. Keep banging.